All right, gang, check this out. We got the sturdy case for the Galaxy S26 Ultra in black. But why is it not a regular case? Check this out. It has something underneath. It has a stand right here that locks into place that you can either use to stand like this or like this. Not only that, put that back, you have a little secret compartment here that you can use for your cards, cash, or anything else that will fit in this little space. Locks into place. And then how is the fit? Well, let's check out the S26. So we're gonna put that in there. All right, sorry about that. I had to get my fingerprints. This actually locks into place really good so your phone does not come out. Got your room for your speaker, your charger, your S Pen, your cameras. I mean, this feels really comfortable too. So definitely love this case. 10 out of 10. And feels good. Feels like premium. Doesn't add much more weight. Doesn't add much more weight to the phone itself. So definitely love 10 out of 10. Check it out.